Tired of drowning in a sea of receipts? Wishing there was a simpler way to track your expenses and get reimbursed? You're not alone. Millions of businesses, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, rely on expense management software to streamline their finances. And one of the most popular names in the game is Expensify. But the question on everyone's mind is, how much does Expensify actually cost? Is it a flat fee? Per user pricing? Does it break the bank? Let's dive in and find out. Expensify offers a variety of pricing plans to cater to different business needs and sizes. Here's a general overview. Core, this is their most basic plan, often suitable for smaller teams or those with simpler expense needs. It typically includes features like receipt capture, easily upload receipts via photo, email, or even just dropping them on your screen. Expense reporting, create and submit expense reports quickly and easily. Basic integrations, connect with popular bank accounts and credit cards. Limited travel booking features, book flights and hotels with some basic travel tools. Team, this plan is designed for growing teams and offers more advanced features, such as improved integrations, connect with a wider range of accounting software, including QuickBooks and Xero. Enhanced travel booking, access more travel options and enjoy better rates. Policy enforcement, set and enforce spending policies to ensure compliance. Advanced reporting and analytics, gain deeper insights into your spending habits. Corporate, this is the most comprehensive plan, ideal for large enterprises with complex needs. It includes all the features of the team plan plus customizable workflows, design unique workflows to fit your specific business processes. Advanced security and compliance, meet the highest security standards with robust data encryption and access controls. Dedicated account manager, receive personalized support from an Expensify expert. API access, integrate Expensify seamlessly with your existing business systems. Now, the big question, how much does each plan cost? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Expensify's pricing is typically per user, per month, but the exact cost can vary depending on several factors, including the specific features you choose. The more features you require, the higher the cost per user. The number of users, volume discounts are often available for larger teams. Your chosen payment frequency, paying annually usually results in a lower per user cost compared to monthly payments. Any add-on features, you might incur extra costs for premium integrations, advanced reporting, or specialized support. The best way to determine the exact cost for your business is to request a personalized quote from Expensify. They can assess your specific needs and provide you with tailored pricing information. And remember, Expensify offers a free trial for most of its plans. This allows you to test the platform, explore its features, and see if it's the right fit for your team before making any commitments. While pricing is a crucial factor, it's important to consider the value that Expensify brings to your business. By automating expense tracking, you can save time and money, reduce manual data entry, minimize errors, and accelerate reimbursement processes. Improve accuracy and compliance, ensure that all expenses are properly documented and adhere to company policies. Gain valuable insights, track spending trends, identify areas for cost savings, and make data-driven decisions. Boost employee satisfaction, simplify the expense reporting process for your employees, making their lives easier. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.